Hi, this is Kyle again, and I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you must have just watched our video showing you how to print a money order. I'm going to go ahead and go through the steps to void a money order at this point. Once again, we'll begin from the home screen, which gives you these three options of age verify, bill pay, and money orders. We'll start off by clicking F4 beside the money order, and we'll get our options, which are money order, sale, void, and report. Again, up under my finger, we will be hitting F3, and then it will also ask for our clerk ID, which is always the number 1 followed by the enter button. Let's get that in, and now it asks for key in the serial number and press enter. Okay, what it's asking for when it asks for the serial number is it's asking for this number right here on the stub of every money order that we print. If you'll notice also, that number prints right here on the money order, and you can get it from either spot. I find it easier to use the large spot right here since it's a little easier to read. Also, if someone, say, was to take my money order from the store, we were to sell it to them and they were to return later, if this receipt tab right here is not connected to the money order, there's a perforated line right here that allows you to tear this apart. If these two things are not still connected together, we cannot void that money order. It can only be voided if these two pieces are still connected and this is whole. You'll notice this the first time you print a money order, that this is your receipt and that this is your actual money order. You'll see the perforated line here, and just please do not ever, unless you want to purchase a money order that isn't going to be any good, refund one that has the receipt disconnected from the money order. I want you guys to keep that in mind, and I want you guys to most definitely remember that, because that's a quick way that someone can run a scam on you and come back, get their money back for the money order for something that they've already paid for. I want you guys, especially with the holidays coming up, and I mean any part of the year for that matter, just to keep that in mind, and just to remember that if these two things are not connected, we cannot void that money order. Now, if someone leaves and an hour later they come back and they need the money order reprinted or reprinted for a different amount, we can definitely do that, as long as these two things are still connected. Okay, let's move ahead to avoiding this money order. We're going to go ahead and type that number in that's right here. Let me get that typed in. Right there. Let me back this up just a touch. Oh, hold on. I'm sorry, guys. Let me finish typing this in and pause it right here. It'll show the number back to you right here, and it says that this money order was for $1. Obviously, we're looking right here since we just printed it. We know that this money order is for $1. The other thing you need to do is, during the day, if you guys have sold 2 or 3 money orders and one comes back and needs to be voided, make sure that these numbers match up and that the amounts match up. That's of the utmost importance when doing this, because the money order numbers don't go in sequential order. The next money order isn't this number with a 1 where the 0 is, like a normal checkbook would go. So if you were to switch some of the numbers in this, you possibly could be voiding a money order that was printed at a different location. So make sure these numbers and this amount both match up. At this point, we'll go ahead and we'll hit F3, which is the yes button, and it'll transmit, and we'll get the successful void notification on the screen, and we'll know that we have successfully voided this money order. When the money order is voided, do not throw it away, do not tear it up, do not return it to the customer. What you do with the voided money order is you place it in your till and you write in very big letters on this money order, void. Just like you would if you're avoiding a check that's in your checkbook. Write void across the front of the money order and place it in your till. Then place it in your drop and put it in the drop safe when your shift is over. Your manager will retrieve this from your till the next day, and that voided money order will be logged. All voided money orders have to be mailed in each week, so we can't really verify that it was voided unless we can return that to the money order processor. So make sure that under no circumstances do you void it and then just pitch it in the trash or something like that. You have to keep it. You have to put it in your till report. I'm sorry, in your till bag, and it will be retrieved the next day, and it will be filed and mailed out. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, be sure to ask relay those on to your manager, or ask me about them next time you see me in the store. Have a great day. Thanks.